Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another festive edition beauty box to share with you, and I'm very excited to show you the Icons Edit by Neal's Yard Remedies. It's a very heavy box. Inside contains 12 full-size hero organic products ranging from skincare, body care and aromatherapy, with a retail price of £250 and has a retail value of £335. You will find a link down in my description, so underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. Our most luxurious gift set yet, the Icons Edit is the ultimate ethical beauty and well-being collection for a truly indulgent moment of self-care, uniting three of our best-selling iconic collections: soothing Frankincense Intense, glow-giving Wild Rose and harmonising Woman's Balance in one beautiful reusable keepsake box. This exclusive collection is the ideal treat for natural and organic beauty lovers. This is what it looks like. It is beautiful, isn't it? It is so lovely. 3 drawers. This is the first time I'm actually seeing it. Starting at the bottom, we've got a collection of products from the Woman's Balance range. Second tray, we've got a collection of products from the Frankincense Intense range. And at the top, we've got a collection of products from the Wild Rose range. So I'll go through each product, showing you exactly what's inside. The smell coming from this box is absolutely amazing. It smells beautiful. So starting with the top drawer, the Wild Rose range, we've got an AHA toner to visibly enhance radiance, certified organic, all skin types, and there's 200 mils here. Neal's Yard Remedies are made in the UK and all products are cruelty free. Absolutely beautiful packaging. So it says, renews and refines with a natural source of AHAs. This daily resurfacing treatment leaves skin glowing with radiance. Shake well before use. Use morning and evening after cleansing. Apply to a cotton pad and gently sweep over face using upwards motion, avoiding the eye area. No need to rinse. Sensitive skins, use as a once or twice a week treatment on clean skin. If you are a huge fan of Neal's Yard Remedies, please let me know down below what your favourite products are. I'd love to hear what you think of them. So yeah, so we've got an AHA toner. Next up, we've got a Wild Rose Beauty Balm, one pot wonder for all skin types, and there's 50 grams here. It says, this multi-purpose one pot wonder balm can be used in many ways, including as an exfoliating cleanser using your organic muslin cloth, which is here, or as an intensive nourishing treatment, or for finishing touches for a naturally radiant glow. I've tried little samples of this before, and I tend to use these multi-balms for cuticles. The smell is just lovely. Yeah, really nice. Really nice to rub in there. I've got really dry cuticles. Great for extra dry spots on your skin, like your knees and your elbows, on your face. I've never tried it as a cleanser before, so that is something I'm going to try. It says no parabens, synthetic colours or fragrances, no animal testing and no GMO. So there's that. Next up, we've got a Wild Rose Glow Day Cream. This is 12-hour moisturisation, certified organic and 50 mils. Instantly hydrates and revitalizes to leave skin soft and supple with a healthy glow. Apply to clean skin, massage into face and neck using upwards and outwards sweeping motions until fully absorbed. I'm going to have to try this on my hands. Okay. Just a little bit, I just want to see. 12-hour moisturization. Yeah, feels really nice. It's a lightweight moisturiser, but it leaves my skin feeling super soft. Oh, the smell, I can't get over the smell, it's lovely. So you've got a moisturiser. And then lastly, from the Wild Rose range, we've got a hand cream to nourish and balance, and there's also 50 mils here. With organic wild rosehip seed oil and organic almond oil for soft, supple and beautifully scented skin. Feels amazing. It does feel absolutely amazing on my skin. Really nice and soft. And obviously the scent is just gorgeous. Yeah. So that's the top shelf, the Wild Rose range. Now on to Frankincense Intense. And this is a hydrating essence, visibly smooths, conditions and refines with 24-hour hydration. And there's 100 mils there. There's no information on the back here, but let's see if there's anything on the back here. It just says apply a few drops to the face using your fingertips and pat until absorbed. But for extra information about these products, then you will find them all listed on the Neal'S Yard Remedies website. So that's a hydrating essence. Next up, we've got a cleansing melt. Visibly smooth, softens and renews. Again, 12-hour moisturization, and there's 100 mils here. And it says use morning and evening, add a small amount to the palm of your hand and take a moment to inhale the aroma. Massage into dry skin using an upward circular motion, allowing the cleansing gel to melt into a conditioning oil. Apply warm water to transform the oil into a creamy milk and rinse until skin is clean. Okay, what's the smell? Got a tiny bit there. I just want to smell it. There is a bit of a mix with the other product I applied on his hand, so I'm not quite sure. We've got a cleansing melt there. Next up, we've got a Frankincense Intense Age Defying Cream. Visibly smooths and plumps fine lines, and there's 50 grams there. There's no information on the back, and it just says apply to clean skin and massage into face and neck. Oh, look at that. You might not have seen that. That just had a huge suction there. Okay, let's try a little bit on the corner. Oh, it feels lovely. It feels almost like a serum. Yeah, that's really nice. There's a very subtle scent with this cream. So we've got an age-defying moisturiser. And then lastly, in the Frankincense Intense range, we've got a hand treatment serum. It smooths, firms and evens skin tone. And we've got 50 mils there. There's no information on the back of the bottle here, but on here it just says how to use it. Apply a small amount to hands as desired. All right, I'm just going to be overlapping. Doesn't matter. Look. Too much came out there. Oh, the smell is lovely. Yeah, I can really smell it now. Yeah, it's beautiful. Mix it in with the cleanser, with the moisturisers. Yeah, mix it in with everything. But yeah, so we've got a hand treatment serum there from the Frankincense Intense range. Now onto the last drawer. This is the Woman's Balance range, and we've got a foaming bath here. Harmonises body and mind, relaxes with a balancing blend of rose absolute, geranium and frankincense essential oils, and is 200 mils. Now we are getting rid of our bath very soon, in the next couple of weeks. So I am going to have a Neal'S Yard Remedy bath this weekend, definitely. We will have another bath at some point. We've got the room set up upstairs, but our main bathroom is downstairs. We're getting rid of it just to have a larger walk-in shower. But now I don't like rose scents, as you may already know, but no, none of these products that I've tested so far have really strong rose scents, so if you like me, you're fine. Oh, it smells lovely. Smells lovely. Pour liberally under running water. So there's that. Next up, we've got some massage oil. This harmonises body and mind, intensely replenishes with macadamia oil, sea buckthorn oils for smooth, supple skin, and a balancing blend of rose absolute, geranium and frankincense essential oils. And there's 100 mils there. Warm between the palms of your hands and gently massage into skin. This is lovely. This is going up behind me. You might not be able to see. I've got a little shelf where all my necklaces are hanging from, and then at the top there I've got a few little bedtime treats and candles and things. So this is going there. You've got a massage oil. And we've got a pillow mist. This is a good night pillow mist. It's restful and relaxing, and there's 45 mils here. Best before bedtime, spritz 1 to 3 times around the room and over the pillow. Let's have a smell. Oh, that is so nice. That is so nice. Some of these pillow sprays are quite strong, to the point where it can make you cough, which does me anyway. This is perfect. It is gorgeous. I use pillow sprays all the time. My daughter uses pillow sprays all the time. This is going to go up there as well. Yeah, this is lovely. Then we've got Remedies To Roll, and there's 9 mils here. Now the writing is quite small on the back. I hope I can read it. Pure essential oils in an organic base, roll over pulse points. Oh, it just smells absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, really nice. I'm going to have to look online to read a little bit more about this one. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got a shower oil. Luxuriously cleanses with macadamia and sea buckthorn oil for satin soft skin and a balancing blend of rose absolute, geranium and frankincense essential oils. 24-hour hydration, and we've got 200 mils here. So you've got shower oil. Apply to wet skin and massage until the oil transforms into a soft, milky lather. For a close in-shower shave, apply to damp skin before shaving. Brilliant, brilliant. Rinse with warm water. 100% natural origin, 44% organic. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this year's very first Neal's Yard Remedies Special Edition Icons box. So as you saw, you got 3 drawers with 3 of their ranges. So this is the Woman's Balance range. We got the Frankincense Intense, and lastly the Wild Rose tray. Yeah, it's absolutely stunning. I cannot wait to use them, but please do let me know if you've tried any of these, what you think of them as well. So the cost of this limited edition Icons box is £250 and it has a value of £335. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. I'll pop extra information about the different ranges down in my description as well, so you're welcome to take a look there. But take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.